Well, I guess it's time to get up and be productive. I'm ready to make breakfast. But first, coffee. Definitely need to get the kitchen done. The galley. I need to get the galley done. It's coming soon on the list, though. I think the bulkhead roll right now is more important. I'm functioning like this. It's just not as fun as it could be. You know, this is more roughing it camping. Sure smells good, though. But first, coffee. I can't wait till I'm out somewhere in the deep blue ocean cooking fish that I just caught. Fresh fish. Yes, that will be fun. That will be fantastic, actually. Turn this off for a second. Got my little butane stove at the moment. Simply because I don't have my big oven stove here yet. Because I have yet to make my kitchen. Good morning, everybody. My crazy hair. Always, right? I always have crazy hair. I think that's been like a trademark my whole life. There, that's a little better. Good morning. Break a egg one-handed, huh? It won't let go. That craziness right there. There we go. The thing is, I forgot to bring salt, but there is lots of salt in the bacon grease, so I think it should be okay. Oh, that's it. Coffee's gone. And I guess it's time to be productive. My eyes are wide open. Breakfast was delicious, and I have more projects to do today. I'm debating putting the bimini on. Maybe. I don't know. Probably going to need a little help, but my son will probably come help me with that one bolt on the other side. Yeah, other than that, I don't even know what projects I'm going to do, but I'm sure I'm going to get into something. Like and subscribe, guys. I'm working on a few other videos now, so there's a lot to come out. I just haven't been doing the editing like I should, but I'm getting to it. More to come. Have a wonderful day, and happy Memorial Day, everybody.